As a parent, one of the most stressful sounds is hearing your infant cry. Infants cry for all kinds of reasons because it is their only way to communicate their needs. Usually, they are hungry, tired, wet, gassy, hot, cold, or just physically uncomfortable. Other times, they seem to cry for no reason you can figure out. If your infant seems to cry excessively for many hours on end, reach out to your doctor to make sure there's no medical reason. Trust your gut and never be afraid to ask for help. Believe me, you aren't the only one going through this. Having had 2 colicky babies myself, I was so grateful for the help of my pediatrician. The act of comforting your infant when they are upset is part of the early bonding experience and helps your baby build a sense of trust, attachment, and connection. This attunement that Dr. Siegel describes, where we are literally trying to tune into our babies, builds trust, even if we don't get it right. A baby develops secure attachment when they trust that their basic needs will be met consistently and lovingly. Trust also comes from trusting your own instinct, that parent voice that is so wise in all of us. Yes, you have it. Don't worry about spoiling. The first 3 months is considered the 4th trimester, so you want to recreate the womb experience as you soothe and attune. Try these parenting tips for comforting your crying infant. Calm yourself. Take deep breaths. Walk away for a minute if you need to collect yourself. Smell a relaxing scent, like lavender. Open the window and get some fresh air. Turn on your favorite song. Once you're calm, come back to baby and try again. Swaddle. Let them smell you. Babies learn the smell of their mother in the womb, and both parents shortly after birth. Hold your baby. Wrap or wear them in a carrier and sway back and forth, or bend your knees with rhythmic, deep bounces. Try the rocking motion near a loud fan or other white noise to help them calm down. The sound of a hairdryer, available on iTunes, worked magic on my babies. Take baby for a walk or a car ride. Sing to baby or put on a song and sing along. You may not be on pitch, but your baby doesn't care. The vibration of your voice and sounds of music are soothing. Or, my favorite combination, swaddle, baby carrier or wrap, pacifier, and bouncing them while attached to you on the exercise ball. Babies love having skin-to-skin time. In fact, babies who get skin-to-skin contact daily, one study required 10 minutes daily, produce less of the stress hormone cortisol and more of the happy hormone, oxytocin. Studies have proven that long-term releases of the stress hormone cortisol forces the brain to stay in the fight or flight response, and over a lifetime can lead to chronic conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. On the plus side, babies who develop secure attachment through skin-to-skin time are less stressed. This can lead to better sleep and supports development. As a parent or caregiver, you'll be less stressed too. Real moments are learning moments.